Hello EFR students. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to go through exercise EX03, working directory, and reading CSV files. So the first one, I've included an Excel file. So I've included an Excel file, and I want you to go ahead and open that file and create a CSV file. That's going to be a flat file that's comma delimited. And so we'll go ahead, go to Excel. And so here's the file. So to do that, I'm going to go File, Save As, the directory I want to put it in, and what we want to use is the text file, MS-DOS. Okay, so text MS-DOS, and I want to save it in that format. So now, if you're using Macintosh, maybe you got to use Macintosh. So I'm going to just go ahead and save. And I've already done this. Ask me, it's going to lose some information. Okay, and once I've done that, now I've got a saved CSV file. So that was the first part of the assignment. The second part is to now set your working directory. So we want to set our working directory to wherever I put that file. Okay, so I need to go into my RStudio, and over here there's three little dots in this column right here, down here. So I'm going to click on those three dots, and that's going to show me my directories. And what I want to do is find that directory where I put this information. So I put it in the EX03 and right here, and I'll go ahead and say open, and that shows me all of my files. So here's my PDS CSV file. Okay, and what I want to do is now set this as my working directory. So I'm going to go to the cog here. I'm going to click on More and say Set as Working Directory. Okay, and that gave me the code down here that said Set Working Directory, and it gave the location. Okay, so that's what I wanted to do for that part of the assignment. So number 3, the next part, now using Read CSV, we're going to go ahead and read that file. Now, you could also read it with read table, but let's go ahead and use the CSV file format. So I'm just going to copy this code over, paste it in up here, and we see read.csv, and I put the name in quotes, and I say header is true. So then I ask for the file. So I'll go ahead and block this, and then I'm going to run it, and there's our outcome. So it read the file, and we've brought it in. So there it is right there. Okay, so that was that part of the assignment. Go back to document. Okay, I then do attributes, and that can confirm that it's now a data frame, the rows, columns, names, etc., etc. Okay, so number 4, I say now create a sub data frame that has survey Q1, Q2, and Q1 plus Q2, and then we're going to ask for its attributes. Okay, so to do that, here's my code right here. And again, you'll be typing this code in. And so I'm going to call the new file PDS underscore new n equals data frame, and then I'm subsetting the PDS file. So here's my PDS file, and I'm subsetting that. I'm after Q1, Q2, and then Q1 plus Q2. So here we're manipulating the columns, right, to get us something new. We'll need this when we're looking at these large data sets. and then I ask for the frame back, and then I ask for attributes. So I'll block that, and I'll go ahead and run that. And there's my new data frame right here. So here's the new columns, and again, it's a data frame, and it has column names of these and the row names. Okay, so then the last thing I asked in this assignment is pull out the value of the 10th row and 6th column. So we want to pull that value out. So here's my code. I'm just looking at, I'm going to call this PDS underscore 10Q2. Okay, right there. So I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for Q2 right here. And then I want the 10th row right here. So when I pull that out, we're going to see that is the 10th row and 6th column. It's going to be right here. It should be a 2. So I'll bring that code up. Bring it into my RStudio. Now you notice I got the carets here. I don't want the carets. Right. So there's my code. So I subset and then I ask for that value back. So I'll take this and run that. And there's my value, 2. So I just pull that value out of the larger data set. Okay, so that's it for this assignment. Thank you so much.